Welcome to 164 Revival, and this is the giveaway. This will be the drawing here. I've got everybody's name from the comments that went up to midnight on Friday. This is Saturday, 7/27/19, and I went ahead and transferred over all the names into random.org in a list randomizer, and I got everybody in there. We'll just kind of scroll through, and you can see I'm not going to go through all the names because there was quite a bit, 80 some comments by that time. I thank you guys very, very much. For me, it's very humbling. I've just got started into this hobby and got into this community, and there's some really great guys, really great subscribers that are even just the viewers. There's nice comments, so I appreciate that very, very much. This drawing, as we went through before in the previous video, was for the lowride Chevy truck and the 68 Nova, the purple Nova. They're a set, so it's two. It's just one drawing, and you get two cars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through random.org in the randomizer. Now everybody's in, but I'm not just going to do it once, and I'm going to, and hopefully I can get this dice in there, or die. I'm going to roll a die to see how many times I'm going to randomize, and whoever's on top, at the top of the list, number one, that is the winner. And I will try and get in contact with you to get an address to send both of those cars. So let's go ahead and roll dice, see how many randomizations we got. And as you can see, 6 times. So we'll go down here to randomize, and we'll randomize once, go down, randomize twice, 3 times, 4th time, 5th time, and the last time, and the winner is Mark Vander Kooi, and I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce that right, but Mark, you are the lucky winner of my first giveaway for the 2-set car giveaway, the Chevy truck and the 68 Nova. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in contact with you, get an address that I can send that over to you, and congratulations. So the next video that I'll probably be putting out, hopefully within the next 7 to 10 days or so, probably going to be another muscle car. I don't have any red lines with me now. I'm going to try and pick something that's fairly different that I haven't really seen too many do. I've got this Ed Pink's Garage Hot Wheels El Camino, 71 El Camino, that I've been really thinking about doing up. Not really crazy about the color. The striping's not bad, just the color's awful, and obviously we got to put some better rims and tires on that bad boy. But I'm not sure if that's it, but I've really wanted to get on to that one. Either that or one of my favorite cars is a 69 Chevelle. And I've got one here. I've got about 3 of them. This one's really got a god-awful kind of paint scheme, to be honest with you. That blue's, ugh, with multiple striping and all that. I mean, it's not horrible, but I'm not crazy about it. But this is actually my favorite car of all. And the 68, 69 I just like the front ends on them, better than the 70. So that might be up. Might do one of those. I don't know. Maybe in the comments somebody holler, really do, the El Camino, really do the Chevelle. So, but again, congratulations, Mark. Be in contact. Get you them cars. I hope you enjoy them. And I thank everybody that commented, that was part of this. And we will see you next time on 164 Revival.